Annyeonghaseyo! For this video, I'll give you a rundown of the hotels that we've stayed here in Korea so you can make smart choices. Are you excited?
Nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, Rafa, come on. That's my surprise for you.
Giant bath.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's so big.
Diba? So we can just stay here. Do you like it? That's my surprise for you. Maganda yung storage dito sa U5 Hotel. Kasi as you can see, maraming mga drawers. Itong area na to, pwede nyo ilagay yung mga bags nyo, clothes if you're long staying, and other stuff. They also have a safety deposit box here. Also some room to organize your things. Ito naman yung shoe rack nila. So if you're a big family, I'm sure kasya na dito yung mga shoes nyo. They also have clothes hanger here. Yan, lots of storage. Ganda yung lock system nila dito. So automatic nagdo-double lock yan. And meron ring manual lock dito. Yung iba, ang complaint nila dito sa area na to, yung shower kasi, kung makikita nyo yung lapag, wala siyang separation from dito sa toilet. So the water from here, it goes all the way here. I don't mind as long as spacious yung lugar. That's what matters most to me. Meron na rin sila dito mga shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Hot and cold shower na rin to. So, ang separation lang from the bath, from the toilet is yung white curtain na yan. Okay naman yung water. Ito yung area naman where you have your mini kitchen. Merong kettle for hot water. May hair dryer sila. And they have this cute refrigerator. By the way, free nga pala yung water dito ha. So you could just ask from the reception area. Kasi kami ni Rafa, namili pa kami. They also have this nice table here, which you can use if you want to eat, or you can also convert it as a workspace. Malaki tong table na to. Actually, kasya dito yung maleta. Pwede kayo dyan magtrabaho. What's so nice about this place is, yung mga luggage nyo, pwede nyong ilatag ng maayos. Nakbuksan mo yung TV. Pwede rin kayo maglagay ng luggage dito. Yan. And may ports para makapag-charge kayo. No need for an adapter. And this is the view from our hotel. You get a nice view of Korea. And etong itsura niya at night. Sa TV naman, meron kayong option ng Netflix dito. But it's use your own Netflix ID. And I think you also need to pay if you want to use it. So never mind, we'd rather spend the money elsewhere. One of the reasons why we chose this hotel is because of this very nice bathtub. This is the top reason why we chose this hotel for our first night here. Dahil maganda yung kanilang bathtub area. Yun nga lang, it's a very big bathtub, kaya kailangan ma-fill nyo to as soon as you get here para hindi nyo masyado matagal hihintay na mapuno to ng tubig. But from what I can tell, no, parang pwede kayo magbarkada party dito kasi kahit mga 4 na tao kasya eh, ganun siya kalaki. It's really very nice. Ito yung kanilang hallway. You can use the laundry area here where you can wash your clothes. What's nice about it, it's very affordable. You just need to pay 4,000 won and it's self-service. This is a nice wash area because they have lots of washers here, unlike in Japan before wherein there's only like 2 washers. Dito, it's plenty. They also have a co-working space here. And they have lots of bean bags, so you can stay there. So you can read and just focus on whatever it is that you want to do. Like, they also have TV, and it's nice. It's like a multimedia room.
Mom, I'm
And
hungry.
they also have a kitchen here, and my daughter is hungry. They have a coffee shop here at the lobby.
We can go now.
Look, this is the reception area.
If you plan to hang out a lot sa Myeongdong area, medyo malayo dito ang Hotel U5. It's about 20 minutes of commute via bus or train or approximately 40 minutes of walk. But very near naman ito sa Gwangjang Market na kilala sa authentic Korean street food. I'll give Hotel U5 an 8 out of 10. Pros ng hotel na ito, may bathtub, complete amenities, unlimited bottled water, and best of all, spacious kaya hindi kayo mahihirapan sa luggage. Cons, medyo may kalayuan sa Myeongdong area.
Yun yung hotel namin.
Let's go.
Daan mo na ang convenience store. Ang ganda, oh. May convenience store right across our hotel. Ito yung kanilang hotel lobby. Iwan muna namin yung mga luggage namin kasi mamaya pang 3 yung check-in. Pero, tingnan nyo, oh. Rafa! Line friends! So, meron silang express na self-check-in dito na machine, kagaya nito. So, lagay ng scan lang yung passport. Then, issue na sila ng key. Yan. So, ito may key na lalabas.
Here? Oh, here.
Ay, dito nga. Ito. So, ito yung key namin. And then, mag-issue pa sila ng one more key for us. Yan. Oops. So, very convenient yung check-in dito. Self-check-in yung tawag dito. Galing, di ba? Oh, yan yung bumubungad. Come on, Rafa. Ito yung Line Friends na floor.
It even has music, oh. Up there.
Ayan, nandito na kami sa second hotel namin, sa Sutetsu, the Splaisier. Sana I pronounce that right. And this room is very special because it's a room for my daughter, Rafa. I know she'll be very happy. And sana nakaka-happy talaga. Check out natin.
Room reveal.
Okay, welcome to your room. Open, no.
Oh.
Outside. Oops. Go inside.
Oh my gosh, it's
Put on the card.
It's so cute!
Do you like your room?
Yeah, it's adorable!
Okay, so ito yung Line Friends na room. It's perfect for kids. Ang ganda. Medyo pricey to ha, but I hope that you enjoy it. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's so cute.
Kasi yung anak ko, wala kasi siyang sarili niyang room sa house na she can decorate. So, eto magandang room to for her.
It has such a cute shower.
Oh, walang bathtub, but it's okay. Kasi hanggang dito, Line Friends inspired pa rin. Come on, open mo nga na.
OMG! Line Friends inspired curtain.
Oh,
It even has a picture.
meron pang, grabe, everywhere it's Line Friends.
Oh my gosh.
Rafa, I hope you're happy.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
Ganda.
So cute.
So, eto, may mga stuffed toy na designs. And, syempre, yung bed nila, it's
so
a queen-size bed. Perfect for me and my daughter. Kahit yung walls niya, meron ring Line Friends.
cute.
Actually, perfect to for mga kids. Ano masasabi mo, anak?
It's adorable. And I haven't even slept here yet. And I already can give a review. And that is that it's really nice and good for kids.
Really? Oh, sa may mga kids na gustong Korea, alam niyo, this is a good room. Oh, ang ganda rin dito, oh. Malinis, oh.
It's so cute. I'm just especially glad because even in the
Walang
curtains, they have...
Oh, yun nga lang, walang mga cabinets. Pero we can live with that. Meron naman mga tokador dito. Meron rin silang meron ditong maliit na refrigerator. Check natin yung flow ng water. Okay. Ito naman yung kanilang cupboard.
Mom, look, oh, they even have line friends cup.
Wow, hanggang sa cup line friends pa rin. Ay, yung isa. Line friends din?
Yeah.
Wow, ang cute! Meron ding safety deposit box. Hindi nga lang ganun kalaki to accommodate your laptop, pero mga watches, jewelry, kasya naman. Wow, thank you! So, you get a free gift for posting your photo. Can I see? Yay! You see?
Kumpleto rin yung mga amenities dito kasi meron silang free use ng locker. Meron rin silang laundry area gaya nito na marami mga washing machine kaya you don't need to wait. Kasi sa ibang mga hotels minsan dalawa lang yung kanilang washer and dryer. Meron ring microwave and meron din silang gym area. Perfect tong gym para ma-burn nyo lahat ng mga kinain nyo sa street food sa Myeongdong. Bukod dyan, meron rin silang Wow Pass where you can exchange your money and self-checkout na rin. Malapit itong this place here sa Myeongdong Street Food. About 10-minute walk lang. Mas malapit pa yung Namdaemun Market where you can buy souvenirs na mga 3-minute walk lang from the hotel. Very near also sa Lotte Department Store and Shinsegae for tax-free shopping. Marami pang masarap na kainan and coffee shops sa paligid. I'll give this hotel an 8.5 out of 10. Pros nito, complete ang amenities, malapit sa Myeongdong street food and other shopping areas. Oh, and by the way, a few steps away lang ang airport bus stop kaya very convenient talaga. Hindi ko lang mabigyan ng 10 out of 10 kasi medyo masikip yung line friends room and pricey than regular rooms. Pero baka naman mas maluwag yung cut ng ibang rooms. Pero kung si Daughter ang tatanungin, 10 out of 10 ang rating niya dahil super nag-enjoy talaga siya sa magandang design ng room na ito. We also stayed at the Fraser Place na isa sa pinakamalinis na hotel na napagstayan namin.
Room reveal. Rafa, come on. Come on. It's just a small room. Come on. Maganda yung room. For me, this is one of my favorite, if not my favorite, dun sa 3 hotels na napagstayan namin. Kasi I really like modern finishing. So, ito very modern. And very spacious also. Ganda ng room. Ganda ng color, very clean, tingnan.
I also like na merong desk like this para pwede kayong mag-laptop. Ayan, ang luwag, di ba? And ang linis din ng kanilang CR area. Wala ka makikitang any hair strand sa kanilang bathtub and ang linis ng kanilang toilet.
As you can see, ang luwag, di ba? So, I really recommend this hotel kung you don't mind walking quite a distance going to Myeongdong. This is a very nice hotel. So, later on, papakita ko sa inyo the facilities that they have here and the neighborhood. And I hope this vlog will help you make smart choices when it comes to choosing your hotel on your visit to South Korea.
After staying here for a few days, na-figure out ko na may way pala to get to Myeongdong faster. Use Naver Map na lang para mahanap niyo ang best route. Nasa likod lang ito ng The Slice here, kaya marami ring kainan sa area. Hindi ko na na-video yung amenities kasi lagi kaming late nakaka-uwi during our stay here. I'll give this hotel a 9.5 out of 10 kasi super linis talaga. Ang spacious pa kaya pwede nyong ilatag na wide open ng mga maleta nyo. Accessible also sa public transport kaya ilang hakbang lang, bus stop na. Malapit din sa shopping area, mga kainan, lahat na. Perfect na sana kaya lang we were assigned a lower floor room kaya no view. So yun lang siguro ang masasabi kong cons. If you want to save money here in Korea, you could book a hotel na tinatawag nilang run of the house. Ito yung run of the house room sa Hotel Gracery. Ibig sabihin, kung ano yung available nila na room that day, yun ang ibibigay nila sa inyo. It could be na yung view niya hindi ganun kaganda, or maybe situated siya sa lower floors, pwede rin naman na mas maliit yung cut ng room. In our case, we got good value for money kasi yung mga specifications na inask namin like queen size bed and merong bathtub, lahat yon nabigay sa amin. And you know what? We only got this room for a little over 4,000 pesos. This is our 4th hotel
here in Seoul, and this is Hotel Gracery. Kung makikita nyo, there is a coffee table area here. There's a queen-size bed here. And we have a flat screen TV. Meron na rin ditong powder area. And nandito naman yung cabinet. May safety deposit box. May CR. And meron sila ditong bathtub. Actually, pa naghahanap kami ng hotel ni Rafa, gusto talaga namin may bathtub kasi it's our way of relaxing after a long day. So, it's good that they have it here. So, this is good value for money kasi we got this for only 4,000 plus pesos. This is what they call a run of the house or kung ano yung available nila na rooms. And they still gave us a queen-size bed as requested. Ito naman yung view namin. Ayan. May view pa rin kami ng Seoul. Ako, I don't mind. Kasi meron ka pa rin nakikita na natural light compared dun sa ibang hotel na napagstayan namin na halos di mo na makita kung ano yung nasa labas. So, this is a great value for money hotel.
Maganda rin ang mga amenities dito. Meron silang laundry room, though dalawa lang ang washer and dryer, kaya i-timing nyo ang paglalaba. May free ice and water na big savings kasi mahal ang tubig sa mga convenience stores dito. And may free use of locker sila even after you have checked out. Bonus pa na nagpapahiram sila for free ng umbrella. Nakakuha pa ng free gift yung daughter ko kasi nag-apply kami as Fujita members na libre lang din naman.
So you can get something like this for free if you register to become a member.
I'll give Hotel Gracery a 9.5 out of 10. Maganda ang location, may convenience stores sa baba ng hotel, maraming coffee shops and restaurants nearby. Few steps away lang ang bus stop, malapit rin sa train station. Complete ang amenities at affordable ang price. Ang only cons lang for me is masikip ang nabigay sa amin na room, pero for less than 5,000 pesos a night sa prime location, it's great value for money. Next time, I'll give you a tour sa hotel namin sa Busan na isa pang great find kasi for only 5,000 pesos a night, you get to stay in this very spacious suite na ang ganda pa ng location. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more travel tips around the world.